Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to add subtitles automatically on your video using AI software. It's a very easy process and the software that we're going to use is called Pictory.ai. So just simply type that. Now just simply open the first link over here. So now all you have to do is just simply click on get started for free right over here. Now just simply create your first account or you can just simply continue with Google. It's totally up to you. Now after you are inside the dashboard, the option that you're looking for is called edit video using text. So click on proceed over here. Over here you will have two options. You can use a YouTube video which is already uploaded on YouTube, or you can upload a black video directly from your computer. If you want to upload a video from the computer, click on upload and then you can choose the video from here as well. So just simply choose the video and wait for it to upload. After it is done, click on proceed. So it's going to take few seconds, so wait for it. Now as you can see, the video is uploaded and you will also find the subtitles right over here. If you want, you can obviously change the words over here. It's totally up to you. You can even change and customize the fonts down below. So let's say you want different type of fonts. You can choose that over here. So what I want is this one right over here. So choose that. Now it should change right over here. You can click on play to view it as well. So just simply ignore the top one. Just simply focus on the down one because the top one is already inside the video. So just simply focus on the down one over here. You'll find few options over here, like the first one, which is max line. In this option, if you'll only use one, that means only one single line will be showed on the screen. And if you'll increase the number, you know what it means. The lines will be increased. Now there are more options that you can try and there are more settings that you can play around with. Now I'm going to show you how to do this with a video on YouTube. So it's a very easy process. Go back. Now again, go back to the edit video using text option. And now this time we're going to use a YouTube link. So just simply paste your link. This is a video from our channel. So just simply paste any YouTube link that you want. Then click on proceed. It's going to take some time. So just simply wait for it to be complete. Now after it is completed, you will find the entire video script over here. And below the video, you will find the subtitles. As you can see right over here. You will have a lot of options. For example, trim the video from the script over here. So if you delete some part from the script, it will also be deleted from the video. Now, as you already know, you can choose what type of font and subtitle will be used in your video from the bar down below. It's totally up to you. Now after your subtitles are ready, let me show you how to export this. Firstly, choose how you want to export it, in portrait format or a square format. It will totally depend on the content that you are uploading. To download the video is very simple. Click on download video over here. If you click on customize video, there will be more options that you can play around with. But in this video, I'm only going to show you how to add subtitles. So click on download video. You can also click on preview to see the preview. Now choose the resolution, click on download video. So it's going to take some time and after that, the video should be downloaded. And as you can see, the generation is in process. So click on the green option over here. And right over here, our video is being created. So it is going to take some time. And when the processing is completed, you will be notified on your email address, or you can just simply come to the dashboard and see if your video is ready or not. That is it. And thank you for watching. Do like and subscribe to our channel. Take care.